We're gonna tape this motherfucker shut. Fucker, give me some more tape.
Hey, you ain't getting out never.
Hold on, cowboy.
Okay, in the window there, he's still fucking rubbing it down.
I know, right?
Oh, y'all never getting out.
What the fuck? Look at Phil in the car. He's just going crazy. What's wrong with you?
He ain't had his medicine yet.
What are you doing?
He's making a racing net.
I got some more tape.
Kind of like a racing net.
I am acting crazy. You think I'd get in trouble driving around down the street like this?
No, because as long as they don't get in the front part of your window on your side.
That's what they're doing. They're about to break the window. Don't do the driver's side.
You just fucking trying to push the window through or what? Hey, you forgot the little one, fucker.
What the fuck are they doing? Did he get that under there?
Yeah.
You got more tape?
What the fuck?
You are the tape?
What are you doing? Oh, you're spelling Kelly? Oh, how sweet. He has a crush on you. Obviously.
Crush on every girl.
Not me.
Some bunny rabbits.
He went after the short one, he's with Jessica.
But he's never went after me.
That's because they all think you're a dyke. Because you talk about your girlfriend.
Okay. This is going on YouTube.